Hey guys, what's going on? Just wanted to show you a product that I think is super easy to use if you're trying to have a baby or if you just need to take a pregnancy test. This is very affordable and extremely easy to use. So this is a VeriQuick pregnancy test. I purchased at the store, but you could get this online. And I think online you could get it in the 2-pack. It's a pack of 2, which is way better and saves you money, of course. Literally the easiest pregnancy test you could use. So this is by VeriQuick. It compares to EPT, but it's a lot cheaper and it's over 99% accurate. So the accuracy is based on detecting typical pregnancy hormone levels from day of expected period. Individual hormone levels may vary. And this one just comes with 1, but like I said, the 2-pack is, I think, way better. So easy to use, clear results in 3 minutes, and over 99% accurate. VeriQuick pregnancy test. Please read carefully before using this test. Test instructions. Collect urine sample in a clean, dry glass or plastic cup. Remove testing device from sealed foil pouch and place on a level surface. Use dropper provided to collect urine from cup and place exactly 3 drops in collection, well marked by arrow on testing device. Read test result after 3 minutes and do not read result after 5 minutes. Here's the result window, the urine dropper, and collection well. So for the reading results, only control line appears. If it's negative, positive would be both control C and test lines appear. Invalid, it could come invalid if you don't do it correctly, then no lines would appear. And invalid, only test T line appears. So this would be negative, positive, invalid, and invalid. So it shows you, it's very simple. Please refer to inside a box for detailed information. For in vitro diagnostic use, store at 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 85 degrees Fahrenheit and do not freeze. Do not use after the expiration date. This product is not manufactured or distributed by Johnson & Johnson or McNeil PPC Incorporated, distributor of EPT. EPT is a registered trademark of Johnson & Johnson Corp. So this is distributed by Greenbrier International Incorporated in Chesapeake, Virginia, made in China. So I think that it's easier to, if you're looking online, I think it's easier to look up the Greenbrier rather than the VeriQuick. So I'm going to go ahead and open the box and show you guys. Okay, so it's wraps in here. This is VeriQuick. Caution, keep out of reach of children. Of course, the kit is for external use only. Do not swallow. Securely discard after use. The test strip and dropper cannot be used more than 1 time. Do not test beyond the expiration date printed on the bottom of a carton and foil pouch. Do not use this test kit if the foil pouch is punctured, torn, or opened in any way. It doesn't expire till April of 2020, so well over a year from now. And this is very easy to open, this little thing that it comes in. And then of course the instructions that are on here were the same ones that are on the back. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out. So this is what it looks like. Very small. You can see, like, compared to my hand is bigger than the pregnancy test. Let's see what's this. Oh, this is just to keep it well absorbed, I guess. And then here's the dropper that it comes with, plastic dropper. So you would squeezing this and sucking some up, and then you would just put 3 drops in here like the instructions say, and then after 3 minutes the results will come out here and you'll know if you are negative or positive. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. Alright guys, so I just put 3 drops in here. I think I might have went a little bit overboard and I accidentally put like a little bit too much liquid to the right, but see how quickly that came up, and let's see what my results are. They are negative. So if I was positive, it would be 2 lines like it says here, and invalid would just be 1 line to the right. So I did the test correctly, but it came up negative. So really easy, and you're supposed to wait 3 minutes, but it literally, this was like what, 30 seconds, and it came up and worked so fast, and it's just perfect. It's definitely worth it to get the 2-pack, like I said, and definitely better to get this rather than EPT or like one of the other more expensive brands, because this works just as well, and it's literally like the quickest and easiest pregnancy test that I've ever taken. So This is VeriQuick Pregnancy Test. I hope you guys try it out, try out the 2-pack, and I hope that you find it easy, and I hope you found the video useful. Thanks for watching.